Foodex Manufacturing Solutions, we consider to be a #1 show for the UK.
Here at Foodex, you have the whole combination of manufacturing machinery, filling machinery, and food customers themselves, which actually brings the whole process together in one tight circle.
We do 2 shows in the UK, and by far Foodex is the biggest show for us in our calendar year.
Foodex Manufacturing Solutions is the best show because it's got the people that are going to spend the money. The decision makers, they're looking at a new piece of machinery that's a couple of £100,000. They're the people that are going to be making the decisions. They're the people that are here. That's really good for that.
The biggest highlight of Foodex has been the amount of leads that we've got. We've got a really good chunk of leads that we think we can convert into sales. So yeah, that's definitely been the highlight. Big footfall coming through this area, so it's been great.
The thing with Foodex is its heartbeat is all about food and the associated supply chain. So if you're part of that, even in a small way, then you need to consider exhibiting here.
The number of diverse visitors we get here and the number of participating exhibitors is absolutely fantastic. What differentiates Foodex from a lot of other exhibitions in the UK, Europe and abroad is the quality of the visitors, the quality of the attendees.
We absolutely will be returning to Foodex because it's the key part of our marketing planning for the next 2 years.